Clarke CTC150Li 12-volt lithium-ion digital tire inflator is the lithium-ion cordless model of the CTC150 range of tire inflators. This powerful digital air compressor is self-contained, having its own 2 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack, and the battery can be charged from the mains using the supplied charging adapter. Alternatively, the tire inflator may be powered directly from the vehicle using the supplied power pack. Being lithium-ion, the battery will only require charging every few months if unused, and a 5-volt USB outlet is also provided, enabling the unit to be used as a power pack for powering other devices. Weighing only 1.3 kilograms, the CTC150Li has a maximum operating pressure of 150 psi or 10.3 bar. It is capable of quickly inflating tires for cars, motorcycles, vans and bikes. With a maximum airflow of 22 liters per minute, it can inflate a tire from flat to 30 psi in only 3 minutes. The digital pressure gauge can display units in pounds per square inch, bar, kilopascals or kilograms per square centimeter. It is ideal for maintaining and monitoring vehicle tire pressures, enhancing both driver safety and fuel efficiency. Activated by a trigger switch with a slide lock, this tire inflator has a backlit digital pressure display and an LED work light for low light conditions. The CTC150Li includes a handy 3-piece adapter set with integrated storage, making it also suitable for general household inflatables. Supplied with a 2 amp-hour 12-volt lithium-ion battery, a flexible air hose, ball pin, narrow and wide adapters, 230-volt power adapter and charger, and a 12-volt car adapter, the CTC150Li will satisfy all your inflation needs for many years to come.